I'm not going to stop for anyone. So the part which has been there for your term work, uh, I have shared the screen with everyone. Once again, I'm going to repeat for everyone. We are having 50 marks for ICA, that is internal continuous assessment, and 50 marks for your practical oral examination. You have to give the practical oral examination for this particular subject. Now, in the POE exam, what type of questions are there and what you have to perform? So in the POE exam is considered in the performance, that examiner will give you the plan of any structure, G+1 structure, okay? It may be a 1 room kitchen, 2 room, 3 room, okay, whatever it may be. But he will give you a plan of G+1, or it may be a single plan, okay, only 2 rooms, likewise. And he will tell you to derive the quantities, like quantity for required for excavation, then PCC, painting, plastering, slab, beam, column, or or he will give you the problem of rate analysis and you have to solve that particular problem, or he will give you the problem of bar bending schedule, which we are going to discuss in our third unit. He can give you the problem of valuation. So you need to solve that particular problems, whatever the things he is going to ask you. That is the first part. That is out of 50, 20 marks will be for your performance, whatever the questions being given to you have to solve that, and remaining 30 marks are for your oral examination. Okay. Okay, so 20 marks for your practical exam, that is you have to solve the problems, and 30 marks for your oral examination. That is the total weightage, that is of 50 marks. So again I'm going to repeat the part for you. First, we have to, our first task is to collect the drawings and the reading the drawings. Okay, so whatever the part already I have discussed in our last lecture, that is as far as reading the drawings, that part is considered. Why this is important? Because whenever you are working on the site, most of the students or the engineers, they don't know what the details are given in that particular plan. What details? Okay, so it may be a one-way slab, two-way slab, continuous slab, discontinuous slab, what is lap length, what is schedule of reinforcement which is been given. See, every structural elements like your beam, column and slabs, numbers are given like S1, S2, that is for the slab, then C1, C2, that is for the columns, B1, B2, or PB1, that is for plain beams, and GB1, that is for ground floor beams. Okay, so numbering style is like this. So based on the plan and the section which has been there in your hand, you need to understand the plan thoroughly. Then and then only it is possible for you to execute that particular drawing. Actually, you can implement the drawing on the paper of the field. Okay. And that is why reading the drawings is the most important parameter. If you able to read, if you able to understand what the things are given in the drawing, then it is very easy for you to execute the work on the ground. That is how to take the what can I say, setting out that particular column numbers and all that, stacking of that particular columns using total station. Or you can directly start, if some small work is there, you can directly start with the site clearance, then excavation, then footing work, PCC, then footing work, and then rest part. Okay, so sequence also I have already discussed with you in the RCC part, what things we have to focus on. So reading the drawings is the most important parameter. Now once again, in the reading the drawings, what you need to do, there are 8 different what I can say plans which are being given. Plan of a watchman's cabin, plan of a compound wall, septic tank or water tank, then building drainage system, kitchen platform, cement go down, staircase block, and a small culvert. So minimum 3 drawings of each and every activity, whatever these 8 activities which are been there. I will use the pointer for this. What are the 8 activities which are being given? Watchman's cabin, compound wall, septic tank, building drainage system, kitchen platform, cement godown, staircase block. So minimum 3 drawings need to be given for the readings. Okay. So at least you should collect whatever the drawings which have been mentioned in this particular part. What is your work now in this particular case? Using the Google, you just put as a plan of a watchman's cabin, plan and section of a watchman's cabin, and then you can download that image. Okay. And after downloading the image, what things you are going to understand from that particular plan, you need to describe it in your own words, in just 3 to 4 lines, nothing descriptive, but in your own words you have to describe it. So you have to download the plans, and then you have to understand what the things are being given in that particular plan, and you have to describe it in your own words in just 3 to 4 sentences. Now in this particular plan, uh, I will also share some of the drawings, the bigger drawings of the plan and the section of a G plus maybe 50 building, or a hospital plan, commercial industries buildings, their plan, their cross section, and I will tell you how to study that particular plan at first. Okay, so that you will have some idea how to understand the drawings and then how to execute it on the actual site, because this is very important part. If you made any mistake in this, if you commit any mistake in this, definitely that company will fire you like anyone. Okay, and the penalty you have to pay for the what are the mistake that you have done, okay, while implementing the plan. Because if you are unable to understand the plan, it is not possible for you to execute the plan on the site. The second thing, market survey of the basic materials and the labor wages. Now, I think in my previous lecture, I have told you what are the material rates and labor wages. Now, actually, in this particular part, market survey, we are going outside. That means students are visiting some of the suppliers uh, nearby their nearby their residence. Okay, they are going to visit some of the suppliers who will supply the building materials or the some maybe PVC pipes, buildings materials, all that. So they will visit that particular place and they will collect the rates. Now no supplier will give you the rate directly. If you are having good relation, then it is okay. But if you approach him without any what I can say, there is no communication before this between you and him, and you directly approach him and tell him, no sir, we want the rates of the material which are being present in your shop, he will not give direct rates, because the business strategy says they require the quotations. There should be some work which has been specified, and for that work they will quote their rates. Okay, but if you are having a good relation, family relations with that particular supplier, or good relations with that particular supplier, then as a student you can request him, yes sir, we are the students of this college and we are in the final year of civil engineering stream. So we are studying quantity surveying subject, and for this we require some information about the material which has been there. So we request you to give us your rates of the materials. So in this fashion, if you approach that supplier, then definitely he will share the rates and everything, every details about the material. But if you directly go and sir रेट द्या आम्हाला, नाही देणार कोणीच. ठीक आहे, कोणी रेट तसा शेअर करत नसतं लगेच मटेरियल्स. ठीक आहे. सो मार्केट सर्वे मध्ये तुम्हाला त्या सप्लायरच्या दुकानी जाऊन तिथे सर्वे करावा लागतो की रेट्स काय आहेत. मग 10 वेगवेगळ्या प्लेसेसवरून आपण सेम मटेरियल तर सेम आहे, तुमचं सिमेंट असेल, सँड असेल किंवा पीव्हीसी पाईप असेल, तुमचं ट्रॅप्स असतील. ठीक आहे, तुमचं मटेरियल सेम असणार आहे, बिल्डिंग कन्स्ट्रक्शन मटेरियल, बट त्याचे रेट्स मात्र थोडेफार व्हेरी होणार आहेत. कुठेतरी सिमेंट 8 रुपये किलो आहे, कुठेतरी 5 रुपये किलो आहे, कुठेतरी सिमेंटची गोणी 300 रुपयाला आहे, कुठेतरी ती 290 रुपयाला आहे, 95 रुपयाला आहे. हा डिफरन्स भेटेल तुम्हाला. ठीक आहे, कारण जशी लोकॅलिटी बदलते, साईट कंडिशन्स किंवा लोकल कंडिशन्स बदलतात, तसा तुमचा रेट व्हॅरी होतोय. मग त्या हा सर्वे तुम्हाला करायचा असतो आणि हे सर्वे केल्यानंतर जे मटेरियलचे रेट तुम्ही कलेक्ट केलेले आहेत त्या मटेरियल ची जे रेट असणार आहेत ते रेट्स तुम्हाला तुमच्या नोटबुक मध्ये लिहायचे आहेत, मटेरियल आणि त्याचा रेट. त्यामध्ये लिहिताना स्पेसिफाय करायचं आहे तुम्ही कुठल्या दुकानाला व्हिजिट केलं, त्याचं नाव, त्या दिवशीची डेट आणि तो टाइम. ठीक आहे, आणि जर त्या दुकानदाराने जर त्याचा शिक्का दिला दुकानाचा, ठीक आहे, की हे विद्यार्थी आलते ना, मी मटेरियल सर्वे केलेला आहे, आणि त्यांनी जर स्टॅम्प दिला, दॅट इज वेल अँड गुड. बट in this pandemic situation, now I don't force anyone to go outside of the home and do this survey. So it's better already that in your SSR the material rates and labor wages are given. Okay, so it's better for this particular time that you should just copy that material rates and labor wages from the SSR and complete that particular as a journal part. Okay, that is the second thing that you have to perform. Okay, first is reading the drawings. So from the internet you can download plenty of the plans and the sections of the whatever the syllabus which has been there, I have shared, that is watchman's cabin, compound wall, and you can download it, make a separate folder, and then send that folder to me. Okay, so we have downloaded these my drawings. Now from that drawings, try to understand what the details are given, and if it is not been there, then I will share some bigger plans with you. Okay, today is just an introductory part. So from tomorrow, we'll start that task. Then third part of our ICA is nothing but the So the next task is to write down the detailed specifications of minimum 5 civil engineering items which includes roads, irrigation work, water supply, sanitation, and 3 from the buildings. So you have to write down the specifications of that particular uh, items, which includes the road specifications, then irrigation work specifications, water supply work specifications, and specifications which are related with the buildings. Okay, so total 5 specification means you have to write the total road 5 specifications, irrigation work 5 specifications, water supply 5 specifications, and building work again 5 specifications. For everything you have to write down the specifications. Now where do you will get the detailed specifications? Anyone can respond? Where you will get the specifications? Where you will get the specifications? Please respond. हा, कुठे भेटणार आहे स्पेसिफिकेशन? तुम्हाला फक्त कॉपी पेस्ट करायचे ते तुमच्या जे नोटबुक मध्ये लिहायचे आहेत. कुठे भेटणार? Somebody has quoted something. Yes, from the SSR you will get the specifications, and also I have shown you how to get that specifications. Okay, so you have to write down the specifications in your notebook. That is our third task. Okay, and I don't think task number 1, 2, and 3 will require any special time or anything. You can cover up these 3 practicals in a single stroke. Okay, reading the drawings, that is you have to download the plans and sections from the internet of the mentioned activities. Then market survey, that is material rates and labor wages. You will get again these material rates and labor wages from the SSR. Just you have to copy and write it down. And specifications also from this SSR you will get the specifications of all activities. Just you have to copy it in your notebook. So I don't think there will be problem for the 3 practicals at first. Okay, nothing logical. Simply you have to download it, the drawings, and as far as second and third task is considered, just you have to copy it from the SSR. Actually, market survey every year we are going to send the student outside, but now in this pandemic situation, don't go outside anywhere. Just take it from the SSR and complete it. Okay, in the notebook. Is there any problem in the first 3 tasks or the first 3 practicals? I don't think anyone will have any problem. But still, if you're having any doubt, you can ask me. Just 5 minutes are left to conclude this session. So after that, again rejoin this session using the same link. Anyone is having any doubt in this, please ask. Raise your hand or you can unmute and you can talk. Reading the drawings, market survey, and the writing the detailed specifications. Is there any doubt in this? Anyone? सायली केमकर, समजलं नेमकं काय करायचं आहे? पहिल्या टास्क मध्ये तुम्हाला इंटरनेटवरनं प्लॅन आणि सेक्शन्स डाउनलोड करायचे आहेत, किंवा जर तुम्ही ऑटोकॅड मध्ये ड्रॉ करताल तर वेल अँड गुड, पण ड्रॉइंग साठी काय कंपल्शन नाहीये माझं. तुम्हाला प्लॅन अंडरस्टँड होणं गरजेचं आहे. ठीक आहे, तुम्हाला फक्त डाउनलोड करायचं आहे. त्याचे प्रिंटआउट आपण नंतर कॉलेज रिझ्यूम झाल्यानंतर घेऊ. सध्या डाउनलोड करून एक फोल्डर तयार करा आणि ते मला सेंड करा. ठीक आहे, वॉचमनची कॅबिन असेल, कंपाऊंड वॉल असेल, वॉटर टँक असेल, त्यानंतर बिल्डिंगची ड्रेनेज सिस्टीम असेल, स्टेअरकेस ब्लॉक असेल, हे प्लॅन तुम्हाला डाउनलोड करायचे आहेत, प्लॅन आणि सेक्शन त्याचा, आणि त्याचा एक फोल्डर तयार करून मला सेंड करायचं. सेकंड आहे मार्केट सर्वे, म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला मटेरियल रेट्स आणि लेबर रेट्स हे फक्त कॉपी पेस्ट करायचे आहेत. ऑलरेडी कालच्या लेक्चरमध्ये सुद्धा मी ते शेअर केलं तर तुम्हाला, आणि आपल्या SSR मध्ये हे दिलेलं आहे, मटेरियल रेट्स आणि लेबर वेजेस. आणि थर्ड टास्क मध्ये तुम्हाला बिल्डिंग ओरिएंटेड, त्यानंतर रोड ओरिएंटेड, इरिगेशन वर्क ओरिएंटेड, किंवा वॉटर सप्लाय आणि सॅनिटेशन ओरिएंटेड जी कामं असतात. म्हणजे आता बिल्डिंग ओरिएंटेड सांगायचं झालं तर एक्झाम्पल एक्सकॅव्हेशन किंवा PCC. आता एक्सकॅव्हेशन रोड मध्ये सुद्धा होतं, फक्त रोड साठीचे स्पेसिफिकेशन्स वेगळे असणार आहेत एक्सकॅव्हेशनचे, PCC साठीचे किंवा बिल्डिंग साठीचे स्पेसिफिकेशन वेगळे असू शकतात. हे स्पेसिफिकेशन तुम्हाला SSR मध्ये दिसतात. एकदा SSR जर वाचला तर SSR मध्ये ह्या सर्व गोष्टी नमूद केलेल्या आहेत. ठीक आहे, सो reading, that is task number 1, 2 and 3. Today is 12th of August up to 20th of August. 20 ऑगस्ट पर्यंत टाइम देतोय मी सर्वांना. हे तिन्ही टास्क कंप्लीट झाले पाहिजेत इन ऑल aspect. Okay, up to 20th of August, because just some writing work is there as far as task number 2 and 3 is considered. But for task number 1, just you have to download it from the internet and make a folder. So that will not take that much time. Okay. And there are millions of plans which are been available, plan and section of these mentioned things, like building drainage system, staircase, watchman's cabin, compound wall. Okay. So up to 20th of August, that will be the deadline for the first 3 practicals. Up to 20th of August. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, less than 1 minute is left for concluding the session. So please rejoin the session using the same link. Okay. Yes, I got your doubt. Yes, I will repeat the third practical also, and whether to write it in Excel or in notebook, again I will convey you the same. Please rejoin the session using the same link. Less than 1 minute is there to conclude this session. So I will clarify all doubts in the next session. 36.
सबमिट करू का मग इथे डेटा